I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today we are going to talk about prepositions of place and the vocabulary. The first word of today is across from. This word is a preposition of place. And for example, the shop is across from the theater, for example. A shop or the shop is across from the theater. Okay. The second word is movie theater. A movie theater is the same place as cinema. And the last word is post office. A post office is the place where you leave the letter. Continue watching the video for more explanation about prepositions of place. A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. You have the preposition of place and some examples. The first, across from, between, next to, on, near, and far from. Okay, the first, across from, for example, the park is across from the school. Number two, between, the bank is between the post office and the restaurant. Next to, the pharmacy is next to the bookstore. Next to, the bus stop is on the corner. On. Near, the museum is near the hotel. And finally, far from, the airport is far from town. Far from. Okay, remember the 6 preposition of place: across from, between, next to, on, near, and far from. The activities are: study the preposition of place, preposition of place platform activity, and EducaPlay.
See you tomorrow, and remember, eat fruits and vegetables.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.